And last but certainly not least, the Pixel Watch. I am incredibly excited for this. I'm a little hesitant. I'm excited, but also a little scared because I don't want to ruin my hopes of a Pixel Watch. I've been waiting a very long time to get one of these. And Android in general has been waiting a long time for the iPhone, the Apple Watch of Android, and I think this is going to be it. I really like the band design so far. So let's check it out. Ooh. She's smooth like a pebble. Comes with a cord. Thank you so much. This band is one of the closest I have felt to an Apple band because Apple's silicone is top tier. I don't know what they do, but whatever they do is excellent. The back kind of reminds me of the Galaxy Watch actually, with the little sensors on it. It's actually a really good size. Here, let me compare. Sorry, there we go. So this is the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and this is the Pixel Watch. This one's slightly smaller, but I think I definitely would prefer that. Ooh, that's so smooth. This one is in the, what color is this? Polished silver stainless steel and charcoal active band. So again, the silicone on this is top tier, very similar to, think if Apple made the Fitbit band. Feels very good. It's very light, just like the Apple Watch. You can't really tell it's there. It's not like this one that feels sticky and heavy. That is a really nice watch. I know people are complaining about it for the bezels and the battery life, but man, that's quite a pair. And there's a close-up of the back. So yeah, that was the Pixel 7 Pro, Pixel 7, and Google Pixel Watch unboxing. Leave a like if you don't mind, that helps me out, and then sub. I do this kind of stuff a lot. I do have early access to some things like this due to my job, so if you don't mind subbing, that helps me out. Let me know if you have any other further questions. I put everything I could think of in the video, but I'm sure I missed something.